The following video is a demonstration of how 3D optical projection can be used in conjunction with metrology software and hardware to streamline the collection and interpretation of data. In this first demonstration, we see a laser tracker measuring surface points using metrology software on a PC that is also running the ProjectionWorks DirectProject interface to automatically display data as it is collected. A ProjectionWorks 3D optical projection system illuminates the surface comparison points that need to be measured with the laser tracker. As each point is measured, the projection is updated to display the deviation from engineering nominal. It is also possible to collect data using a 3D scanner. In this case, a Leica absolute scanner is used to collect data on the surface of a composite aircraft panel. The projection system is displaying the data points which need to be measured. Once the scan is complete, the measurement data is output to the projection system and is displayed on the part, either as a series of discrete points or a full color map that indicates whether the surface is above or below nominal and in or out of tolerance. The actual deviation from nominal can be included in the projection. Here, a roamer arm is being used to scan points as directed by the optical projection. However you collect your data, DirectProject may be used to speed up the process as well as immediately visualize the data on the part. The ProjectionWorks team is excited about finding new applications for optical projection. DirectProject has been used in conjunction with Geomagic, PCDemus, Polyworks, Spatial Analyzer, Verisurf, and others, though DirectProject itself is software agnostic and is capable of receiving data from any metrology software package.